So there you have it, the final wheel. I cleaned the 4 wheels on the car with the wire cup with the intentions of respraying them while they were on the car. I will do that ASAP, but I realised that I had forgot about the last wheel on the back of the car, the spare wheel. So I'll uncover this now and we'll do this one from start to finish. Cover pops off, simple as that. And there you have the wheel. This wheel actually isn't too bad. Now, clean this, mask it off, primer, colour and lacquer, and let you see it. We'll take you through the process one step at a time. Back soon. Bye for now. So here we are once again. It's a simple process. We're going to clean the alloy wheel while it's on the car using a wire cup on a cordless drill and a wire brush. Simple process. Then we clean things up, get it all tidy, mask it all off, then primer, colour and lacquer. Job done. So let me show you how it's done. That's all we need there. Wire brush, cordless drill with a wire cup. Simple process. You can see already inside seconds how the wire cup is cleaning the wheel right back. It will probably take me a full hour on this. Look at that, coming up lovely. No time at all, and it looks like we're actually getting somewhere already. And there you go, the sun's starting to shine too. So I will do this for an hour and then get back to you. I'll pause the video for an hour. We'll speak again soon, okay? Bye. There you go. You can see I'm just finishing the last section. Another 10 minutes, this will be done. That's the whole wheel complete. Actually inside 1 hour. Simple process. So easy. So there you go, just under 1 hour. The wheel's completely spotless. Looks a bit rough, but that's just the sanding marks. Next step will be rinsing the wheel down. You don't need to see that step, obviously it's simple, just to get all the dust away. Dry it down, then clean the entire wheel with acetone. Get the gloves on, get acetone on a cloth and rub around your wheel for 5 or 10 minutes. Leave it for 20 minutes, then start masking the tyre off. We'll let you see that part of the process in a minute. Bye for now. So there you go. I've decided to take the spare wheel off. All I need to do is loosen 3 nuts and the wheel pops off. Literally takes 2 minutes to take it off and 2 minutes to put it back on again. I'm also considering taking the rest of the wheels off the car, because if I have this one finished I can take another wheel off, put this one on while I'm working on another wheel. I'll think about it and let you know in the next section of the video. It's just as easy to spray them on or off, but we'll see. Talk to you again in a minute. in the next section. Bye. Here we are again. Now we've started the masking process. Step 1, edge right around the edge with 2-inch pieces of masking tape, nipping them in nice and tight into the inside of the rim in there, nice and tight. Simple process, just a tiny piece. Set it in, nip it down tight, just like that. I'll put the last piece in, and that will be that part of the process finished. And then we'll move on to step 2 with the masking. I'll see you again in the next section. So this is step 2 and the final stage of the masking process. I've used wallpaper, lining wallpaper. Simply put a piece over the wheel, trim around the edge of the alloy. Remember, step 1 was masking tape in tight. Then step 2 is just masking this down on top of the masking tape. So it's masking tape to masking tape. So you've already got a nice tidy edge into the edge with your first layer of masking tape. So you can just do this like that. So I will finish this in this section, and then we'll move on to the next section, obviously, which is primer. So when you see me next, the wheel will be completely masked off and we will be priming the wheel. I'll see you in the next section. So there you are. I'm sure you can see I already have the first coat of primer on. I had the camera on as I was applying the first coat of primer, but of course something went wrong with the camera and we didn't actually film step 1 in the priming process. So that's how it looks there after the first coat. So I will now apply the second coat. It only needs a light coat to bring it up to the point where we need it to be. Then we can leave it and apply the colour, obviously, which is silver, when this is cured. So let me get my spray. It really is as simple as that. The first coat went on just as fast as that. Real simple process. I cannot see any other parts or points. I also, you'll notice I have masking tape, 2 or 3 pieces, one step at a time, one piece at a time, onto the dust cap. That will lift off when I'm finished. Now I'm scouring the eyes around the wheel and there isn't another patch anywhere. It's completely primed, perfect. 2 coats of primer, and to be honest, the colour is absolutely lovely. I would love to just lacquer that and keep that, but I won't. I will go ahead with the plan, and the plan is silver next and then lacquer. So I need to leave this wheel sitting until it's cured, and then we can apply the silver and then the lacquer. I'll see you in the next section of the video. So there you have it. Now we're at the next stage, which is spraying the wheels while they're on the car. Bit of a story with this one now because of the weather. Terrible weather conditions. I've been trying to get these wheels complete for 2 or 3 days now, but there's been gale force winds and torrential rain. I've now had to abandon the plans because all the masking is coming back off the tyre. So anyway, I'll take you back to the start. The only thing different when spraying your wheel while it's on the car, I'm sure you can see the paper in behind my wheel here. This is a bin liner. Put in here, pushed through, pulled until it's right round here. This stops any spray going right through into the brake system. It's as simple as that, and the tyre is masked off the exact same way we masked off the spare tyre, the spare wheel. Again, I'm always saying it, a simple process, just take your time, work your way through it. A, B, C, and then you're there and it's job done. So, as you can see here, my masking's starting to come away with the damp and the rain. It's just literally falling off. So we have to abandon this and redo all this masking. I will do that. Now, I only got this wheel and this wheel done. The other two, I had the masking tape around the edge ready to go, but the weather stopped me again. So just to show you what I have in behind this wheel here, I pull it out, just a bag. Now the best way actually to take it out, I just took that out because this wheel is just primed. If I had this wheel sitting finished with silver and lacquer on it, I would have pulled that bag out from behind the wheel up in there, take it out backwards onto the car, so you're not dirtying the newly painted wheel. So that's it. You now know how to paint your wheel from start to finish. I've taken you through the whole process. That's this wheel sitting primed. That wheel's primed, but I'm about to take the masking off that and leave it maybe until next week, until we get a better weather forecast, and then I'll start again. I don't think I've left anything out. Spare wheel's totally finished, you've seen all that. I've explained to you how you prevent the spray from hitting your brakes. Put a plastic bag in behind the wheel. Again, masking over your dust cap, pull it off, easy on, easy off, simple as that. I'm sure you're looking at my wheel and thinking, my goodness, you've sprayed the nuts, same colour as the wheel. Here's the thing, you can cap them with little nut caps and spray around them, just like a masking cap over them. But either way, they're either sprayed or they're not. I'm going to spray these, leave it all lovely like the rest of the wheel. Then if it ever comes a time and I need to take the wheel off, if these get damaged, they're going to go back to the original chrome anyway. Or I can touch them in again with spray. Basically, I think I've explained everything to you. It's as simple as that. That's it sitting primed. Now I'm going to take this masking off. You'll see here, because the rain's getting in, like it's just falling off. Absolute disaster. But we'll get another dig at it next week when the weather changes again. So listen, thanks for your time and thanks for watching the Homeschool Family Northern Ireland YouTube channel. Catch you again. Bye.